In the calculations on the NHANES data, the observed statistic was consistent with the null statistics. That is, 212 of the 1,000 permutations were smaller than the original value. There's no evidence that the data are inconsistent with the null hypothesis. That is, if gender played no role in homeownership, we would be likely to get data similar to those observed. However, this does not mean that we know for sure the gender does not play a role. It's possible that the true difference in home ownership rates is 0.1, and surely our data would be consistent with that population as well. The logic of inference allows us only to reject null claims. Process does not allow us to have certainty in the null hypothesis being true. Note that the NHANES data is thought to be a good representative sample of the U.S. population. That means the conclusions from the NHANES data can be applied to the larger U.S. population. But unfortunately here, there's nothing to report. The conclusion was that there was an inability to reject the null hypothesis. So in this case, there's no claim that can be generalized to a larger population. Okay, now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to completing a full hypothesis test on actual data.